it are, Class 2. Another week of learning ahead of us, and this week our topic is World Ocean Day. So on Monday, June the 8th, it is World Ocean Day, but Miss Nixon has decided that our lessons and our activities this week will be based around the day. We're going to extend it a little bit, okay? So one of your activities is to write an acrostic poem. Now, we've used lots of different poems. We've even written a haiku poem during our World Cup week, which was amazing. We've looked at rhyming poems. We've looked at describing poems. And now we're going to look at an acrostic poem. Now, an acrostic poem is when the word is written going down. It's written vertically, okay? So you will have 3 words to cover. World, ocean, and you'll have day, but Miss Nixon doesn't have quite enough room on her whiteboard. And anyway, I don't want to do all of the activity because I like to see all of your wonderful ideas. So what you need to do in order to make a successful acrostic poem, you need to look at the letter, the sound, what, and this needs to be the first sound of our sentence. So I've had a think, and I'm going to write for wonderful. So wonderful, deep blue seas. Now remember, you don't need to write that sound again because it's already there for us, okay? And it's a capital letter because it's the start of our sentence. We don't need to write that when we are writing our sentence, okay? So wonderful deep blue seas, O-R. Oceans around the world. Now remember, when you're writing your sentences, they must link with the words that are on your acrostic poem. So if Miss Nixon's acrostic poem was about in the jungle, we wouldn't be able to write these things because they must link, okay? So have a think of what you've learned throughout the topic so far. If there's anything that you can make links with our topic, it could be under the sea, sea creatures, pirates, mermaids, it could be about keeping the ocean clean and safe. Whatever you want to include in your poem is fine as long as it links with World Ocean Day, okay? So Miss Nixon has linked her sentences. Wonderful deep blue seas, oceans around the world. Rubbish. Rubbish does not belong here. Lots of sea life live. Lots of sea life live beneath the sea. And I'm going to write dolphins jumping in the crashing salty waves. Okay, so there are Miss Nixon's ideas for the word world, okay? Linking to the sea and the ocean and the animals underneath and keeping it clean, okay? You need to have a think of your own ideas for World Ocean Day and record them down. Now, when you're sounding your words out, don't ask Mummy and Daddy to sound them for you. You need to have a go at using your phonic fingers, stretchy snake or your robot arms to sound out words that you aren't sure of. And only if you are really struggling can you ask Mummy and Daddy to help you to find the right sounds to use. I want to be able to see your learning, guys, okay? So good luck with your acrostic poem. Remember, the important thing is that all of your sentences link with the word going down the page. And your sentence starts with whatever word, sound is on the line. That has to be your first sound of your sentence. Okay, I cannot wait to see you learning, boys and girls. Diane.